Well, as we get into this evening, again, looking at some dry conditions for most of us. Haven't really been able to shake much of the cloud cover, but we saw enough sunshine that temperatures have gotten us into the 80s here, a little more so than what we maybe originally thought as we got into this afternoon. We'll continue that cooling trend as we get into about 6 and 9 o'clock. Got to steer around some of those, again, pretty widely isolated showers and thunderstorms. Still look like they're going to be a bit of an issue in one or two spots, but I think the coverage really starts to pick back up as we get on the other side of about midnight. You can see latest run of Future Track starting to move some of that heavier stuff in as we get into about 5 and 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. And that's where we might see some, again, localized areas, some flash flooding here in some of our far west central counties. Back toward Pettis, Benton, and Morgan counties. Again, they're under a flash flood watch. That actually just got extended until 7 o'clock. And as we get a little closer to tailgate time here into Columbia, I think we're going to be trending a little bit better. We still got to watch out, though, for some of those rumbles of thunder. That's really what we need to avoid as we get into kickoff for those Missouri Tigers. I think by 6 and 7 o'clock, we should be on the right side of things, though, as we get into our Saturday. Latest run of rain tracker, though, again, 1 to 2 inches. And again, highlighting some of our far southwesternmost counties. I think that's where we're going to be seeing the heaviest amounts of rain is in west central Missouri as we get into tonight. And then once we get after that into Saturday afternoon, into the evening hours, Sunday into Monday, no issue whatsoever. Low 80s on Sunday, a little bit warmer on Monday, but nothing that we can't handle. As we take a look at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, might scare 90 degrees as we get into Tuesday, keeping with some of that warm weather, but we're going to be tracking a cold front that'll knock us back into the 80s pretty comfortably as we get toward the middle of next week.